Welcome back to our channel, where today we're talking about the awakening of the garden in March. Spring is an exciting time for all gardeners, and to make your start easier, I've compiled a list of 19 plants you should plant now. Peas. Peas are cold tolerant and can already be planted when the soil is workable. They prefer a sunny location and well-drained soil. Peas are rich in proteins, vitamins A, B, C, and K, as well as minerals like iron and magnesium. Supporting trellises increase yield. Spinach. Spinach germinates best at cool temperatures and should be planted in an area with full sun to partial shade. It is rich in iron, magnesium, and vitamins A, C, and K. Spinach requires regular watering to promote rapid growth. Radishes. Radishes are ideal for beginners as they are easy to cultivate and grow quickly. They prefer sunny locations and loose, nutrient-rich soil. Radishes contain vitamin C and are good for digestion. Carrots. Carrots germinate at cooler temperatures and need deeply loosened soil without stones. They are rich in beta-carotene, vitamin A, and prefer full sun locations. Regular, even watering promotes even growth. Lettuces. Lettuce plants, such as head lettuce or arugula, cope well with cooler temperatures. They prefer a sunny to semi-shady location and moist, nutrient-rich soil. Lettuces are rich in vitamins A and C, as well as folic acid. Kohlrabi. Kohlrabi is frost-resistant and grows best in full sun. It requires nutrient-rich, well-drained soil and regular watering. Kohlrabi is a good source of vitamin C and potassium. Onions. Onion sets can be planted in March and need a sunny location with loose, nutrient-rich soil. Onions are rich in vitamin C, biotin, manganese, and are known for their antibacterial properties. Garlic. Garlic prefers cool climate for the initial phase and requires a sunny location with well-drained soil. It is rich in vitamin C, B6, manganese, and has antibacterial and antiviral properties. Swiss chard. Swiss chard can be planted in cooler temperatures and prefers a sunny to partial shade location. It is rich in vitamins K, A, and C, as well as minerals like magnesium and iron. Swiss chard requires regular watering. Parsley. Parsley can be sown early in the year and prefers a sunny to semi-shady location with moist, nutrient-rich soil. It is rich in vitamin C, K, and iron. Parsley should be harvested regularly to promote growth. Dill. Dill is cold tolerant and can be planted in full sun to partial shade. It requires well-drained, nutrient-rich soil. Dill is a good source of vitamin C, manganese, and iron. Broccoli. Broccoli prefers cooler weather and should be planted in full sun. It requires regular watering and nutrient-rich soil. Broccoli is rich in vitamins C, K, and A, as well as folic acid. Cauliflower. Similar to broccoli, cauliflower prefers cooler climate and full sun. It is rich in vitamin C, K, and folic acid. Cauliflower requires nutrient-rich soil and regular watering. Corn salad. Corn salad is very frost-resistant and can be grown in full sun to partial shade. It is rich in vitamin C, B6, iron, and omega-3 fatty acids. Corn salad requires a moist, nutrient-rich soil. Parsnips. Parsnips germinate at cooler temperatures and require a deeply loosened, stone-free soil. They are rich in fiber, vitamin C, and folic acid. Parsnips prefer a sunny location. Spring onions. Spring onions can be planted early in the year and prefer a sunny to semi-shady location with moist, well-drained soil. They are rich in vitamin C and sulfur compounds. Beetroot. Beetroot can be sown at the end of March and prefers a sunny location with nutrient-rich, deeply loosened soil. It is rich in folic acid, iron, and antioxidants. Bush beans. Bush beans should be planted at the end of March under protection. They prefer warm temperatures, full sun, and well-drained soil. Bush beans are a good source of protein, fibers, vitamin B, and iron. Potatoes. Potatoes can be planted late in March when the soil is frost-free. They prefer a sunny location and loosely loosened, deep soil. Potatoes are a good source of carbohydrates and contain vitamin C, B6, and potassium.